Okay, guys, so let's start here. So, last class we discussed that inheritance. Okay, in inheritance, I gave there few example. So today class also, I'll go here the more and more depth in inheritance. Okay, so look, so inheritance I already told yesterday class. So look here. So it is nothing but it is a parent and a child relationship like your grandfather and you. So what is the relationship is there? You can call as a inheritance. In technically also, it's a these things. The process of deriving a class existing, the newly created class create from existing class that newly created class contain existing class properties and behavior. Okay, by using two keyword like extend keyword and implement keyword you can create inheritance. So this thing also we discussed yesterday. Then yesterday also I gave there few example, one example I gave and I explained that one also. Okay guys, then look, so today's session will proceed more and more depth in inheritance. Okay, so look here, so we'll discuss now. So guys, so yesterday session what we do know? Yesterday session we just the parent and child relationship we just defining one uh, static and instance example, static variable and the instant variable, static method and instant method. We this thing we explain and we these things access in our child class. Okay, so today class we discuss its more part. Like guys, let's assume so one parent is there. Okay, first I'm discussing that currently parent only. So let's assume here one parent is there. Let's assume my class name is parent. Okay, assume P. Okay, nothing. You can say my class name is parent. Okay guys, then one more thing is guys, so I define here some variable or like that thing defined. So same thing, same extra thing like define I here int. Okay, int a equal to like 10 I define there. Okay, so I define one method is here public. Okay, uh, I define public void m1. Okay, any name guys you can define. Okay, so I define here this method. Under this, uh, I'm writing here any statement. You can write anything. So just dummy purpose, I can writing here any statement you can write. Okay, this is a parent. Look here in parent, nothing is there. Under one thing I define under one variable and under one method. Let's guys how it will be accessing in child. So we can create class child. Okay, in child class what we'll do in child class, first of all I want to this accessing these things, whatever things I yesterday this. Okay, for that look here, so I'm writing here public static void main. Okay, then string array x. Okay, I'm writing here main method because I want to accessing that one. So for that actually guys what we do, for that actually yesterday before these things yesterday we are implement sorry we are extending no. So what is that extends? This is look here, this is one separate class, this is parent one separate class, then this child one separate class. I want to implementing okay inheritance relation here. So that what will do, so that actually I'm using here in class level I'm using here extend keyword. Okay, extend keyword I'm using parent. If I use here extend keyword then parents, then whatever properties is I define under a parent class, then all those things are available in child because this is a relationship. This is a inheritance relationship. Yesterday I explained how it's getting where. Okay, then next is what we do. So just we create object. Okay, just we create object like this is instance member. No, static member you can directly access. Okay, but this is instance member. Let's assume it means, guys, this relation means here also assume here also internally created these things, this method and this statement. Let's assume because here created means under parents, created means under child also you can assume, here also you can create it. Okay, let's no worry. Then what we'll do, so I want to access these things, so for that what we'll do, so I'm creating here object. Okay, so I just create a parent p equal to new parent. Okay, this object I'm creating here. So if I'm creating this object, then I'm easily accessing. Okay, I'm easily accessing this thing. What? This p dot a. I can easily printing these things. Then p dot m1. Okay, p dot m1. So I can easily call these things. Look, guys. So here is parent is a class name, but same thing. Okay, same thing parent class name I'm using here. Okay, same parent class name also I'm using here. Parent P equal to new parent. It means it is a Haji relationship. No Haji relationship. We'll talk its later. So it will be directly created. But guys, so I want to create the parent relationship child object, child relationship child object. So like these things I want to create. So here is what. So it means, guys, it will be if you created like this format, parent p equal to new parent. So whatever field, whatever method here you can define. Okay, all those things you can access, guys. But guys, let's assume one more thing is there, one more reference thing is there. So like b int b equal to 20 is there in under child class level. Okay, if you want to access these things, okay, if you want to access these things, so p dot b. Okay, then you can't access because, guys, here is only catching what? Only catching parent reference with parent object. So for that, actually, you can only access whatever field, whatever method are present under parent. These things only you can access. Okay, these things only you can access, but you can't access these things. These things means whatever field and method present in child, you can't access. Okay, so this is the one concept is there. Okay, parent reference parent object only access, I'm writing here, it's not also I'm writing one thing. Okay, above based on above example I'm writing here, guys. Look, first point, parent object. Okay, so look, same thing I based on above example I'm writing parent obj equal to new parent. Okay, these things only access that members which one present in only parent. Okay, it can't access in child member. It will access only, it will access only parent plus member. It will not access child class member. Okay, let's get. So this is the one object, one type of designing object. Okay, then guys, I want to design its second type of object. Like what? I want to creating here. So one more thing is, guys, child c equal to new child. It means, guys, I'm creating directly this class object. Okay, previously under child class, what I did, under child class I only created parent object. It means only parent member can access. But currently, what I do, so here I create only child class object, child reference and the child object. This is reference, okay, child reference, then child object. So it means guys, it calls all the member. So whatever member are present in parents, that thing also it's called. It can also access p dot sorry c dot a. C dot a means whatever member is present in a class. Sorry, parent class. It it is also its access. Then one more thing is it's also access, that is c dot m1. This thing also it will be access. C dot A, C dot M1. Okay, both thing guys, it's access. Then also it will access its class level, whatever variable are present under its class level. Here is present B, right guys? So it will also access C dot B. All those things it will access. Okay, if we implement child reference child object, so it will access both parent class member and child class member. Okay guys, I think clear. Then second point, remember, so this is a two second child ch, okay, child ch equal to new child. Okay, it means guys it will both access, it will access, it will access access both parent and child member. Okay, it will access both parent and child member. Okay, then guys, one more syntax are there also. So you can create like this. So you can create like this means you can create parent reference. Parent reference. Parent reference means P like. Okay, then you can create new child. Okay, parent reference can hold child object. Let's remember these things. These things means our superclass parent. So parent mean I'm telling guys not particular here parent class. So whatever class the first class in which class to deriving another class. This is called parent class. It means a super class. Okay guys. So parent class can hold child reference. If parent class can hold child reference, it's only called that child parent member only called parent member. But guys, remember this child it will possible. Okay, it will possible. It will possible. Okay, it will possible. It will possible. It's call only. Call only what? Parent member. Parent member. Parent member means this superclass member. If look at previously also what I did, so parent reference then parent object. So then second time I did parent child reference child object. Then third time I did what? That is parent reference child object. It will possible, but it's called only that what? That can call only parent member. Then second case I'm creating here child child object. Okay, child object c equal to new parent. Okay, if you creating like this guys, so it will not possible, it's not allowing guys. Okay, incompatible type it will not allowing. Okay, it is not possible to create Okay, so guys, so this is the theory. Okay, this is the part also there. So look, remember these things. Okay, when you creating that inheritance, you also remember these things, then you people get more clarity. So this is third part, and this is fourth part. Okay, so let's implementing whatever things I'm discussing here. Let's implementing it's in programmatically. Okay, let me open its id. Okay, 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 anything guys. So let me create. Okay, forget about yesterday program. Okay, so today I'll create one more new program. Okay, so yesterday like Amazon like this things were creating output. Okay guys, look here. So I'm creating one more program to implementing today concept inheritance. Okay, file new Java project inheritance tons. Okay, inheritance. Okay guys, inheritance. Okay, inheritance project. Inheritance project. Okay, capital I put it here. Inheritance project 2. Okay, inheritance project 2. Okay guys, this project I'm creating here. Let's our project is currently ready. Okay, then I'm creating here package. So new, then package. Okay, package name I'm creating here com dot software engineer builder. Okay, so I'm creating like this. Okay, so my package is ready. Then I'm explaining that parent child whatever things I'm discussing there. So I'm explaining here. So like I'm passing here parent. Okay, okay, like same I'm explaining. So our parent class is ready. Okay, so then what will do? Then I just creating here two variable. Okay, like public. Okay, public int a. Okay, I'm creating here 10. One variable I created. Then I'm creating here one method public where. Okay, m1. I'm creating this method. Okay, then I'm printing something. Sys out. Okay, guys. So I'm writing here. It is from parent class. Parent class. Okay, I'm writing these things. It is from parent class. Let's our parent is ready. Then guys, I'm creating here one more file new. Then one more class I'm creating there. Okay. So in that class, I'm putting its name is child. Okay. Anything guys, you can put your class name. That's not issue. Okay. Then after that, so I want to implementing here that uh, mm, inheritance. For that, what will do? For that, actually, I'm using here extend keyword. Okay, extend keyword. Then I'm using here parent. Okay, if I'm implementing like this, so it means all those all those field whatever things I define under parents, all those things available under child. Okay, then I'm implementing here main method. Okay, so main method is ready, but before that actually I'm implementing here one variable in class level. Okay, like int b. Okay, int b I define here 20. Okay guys, this thing is ready. Look here. So I want to printing something. I want to calling that parent and child method. So first thing is we need to calling parent these things, guys. One by one, this for rule I'm applying one by one. So parent object and parent reference. So for that, look what's happening. So then I'm calling here parent object. Parent object means I'm calling directly like this. Okay, parent p equal to new parent. Okay, object creation like this possible. Okay, you can call also directly like this. So I'm calling. I want to printing that thing. So sys out. Okay, sys out. I'm calling these things. So p dot. Okay, p dot. Their variable is there in parent class. What's variable are there? P dot a variable is there. So I'm directly calling here p dot a. So look, it's calling fine. Okay. Then I want to calling this method also p method. Okay, for that p dot I am calling m1 method. It's also calling fine. Then I try to run here. Look, if I try to run, it's calling. It's successful run. It's successful access that parent variable and parent method. Okay, but one more thing, guys. So I try to run these things. This child variable. Okay, this child class level variable. I try to run here. Then what's happening? Look here. So if I try to run these things, so sys out. Look. So p dot. I'm trying to calling this variable. No p dot b. Our variable name is what? Our variable name is b. Okay, our reference name is p. So p dot b. So if I try to call there p dot b, look here, it's rising issue. Look left side bar. Okay, one cross is there. So what's saying? So b cannot be resolved or is not a field. Okay, it means under p. Okay, under p, b is not available. It's telling because b only available in child class. Okay, so it means, guys, remember, it means let assume whatever properties, let think in real world. Okay, whatever properties or bank balance is having your parents. Okay, all those things, same thing you can take. Okay, but whatever you have, whatever you bank balance have, that thing only your child can take. Okay, only your child can hold, but your parent cannot take. This is the assume in real world thing. Okay, guys, so it means, so what, so if you're creating like this object parent new parents, so it's calling only that parent member, whatever parent member is defining under parent class, these things only it will calling. Okay, it will not calling under child class. So under child class it will not calling. If you're defining here child class variable, it's not calling. Let assume one more method is I'm creating here under child class. Let's, so public void. Okay, m2 I'm defining here, one method is I'm defining here m2 method. So I'm printing something sys out. Okay, so then what will coming? So it is from, okay, it is from child class. Child class. Okay, it is from child class. If again also, guys, if I try to run also p dot m2 method. Okay, p dot m2 method. Look here. It's not calling. Yes or no? It's not calling. P dot m2 method, it's not calling because this thing only calling only parent members. Whatever things you define or under parent class, that thing only coming. Okay, it will not coming whatever things you implement in child class. Okay, so these two things clear. So guys, look here. I'm committed also here. So then second case. Second case, what will do? I want to call guys both parent class member and child class member. For that, what will do? Look here, I define here one more statement. Child cs equal to new child. If you creating the child class object and assigning child class reference, then it will call both parent and child member. Look, I'm creating here a child class object. So child, okay, c equal to new child. Okay, child c equal to new child. If I creating like this child class object, then what happen? So guys, look here. It will calling. So I'm bounding here one boundary. For that, you people get more clarity. So it's out. Okay. But above this symbol, it's all our parents. So above this symbol, it's all our child. Okay. So again, guys, I want to accessing this same thing. Okay, cool. Same thing I want to access. Look here. So I'm printing here. So I'm removing these things. Look here. So this is sorry. Here is not I'm creating again. You people get clear correctly. That look here. So here I want to accessing based on child reference. Okay, based on child reference, I want to accessing that parent member. For that, actually, instead of p, I'm writing c because here is child reference. Then again, instead of p, I'm writing c. It means that a child class things are calling. What? Somebody ping maybe. I have I have a doubt in the syntax parent p equal to new child. In this line, which class object will be create? Parent also. Yeah, in this line, object will be create child class, then it will be injecting. Okay, it will be connected with parent class reference. Okay. Okay, then proceed. So look here. So this line. So I'm calling here c dot a. C dot a means this parent class a. Then c dot m1 means parent class m1. Then I'm calling c dot b. Okay, guys. C dot b. Okay. Look here. It means child class b means child class variable. Okay. Then c dot m2. If I'm calling c dot m2, it means child class m2. Look, guys, no error is currently there. Okay, if I try to printing here, what output will come? Look here. Look, above thing is parent. Okay, below boundary. Look here, below boundary. So this is this 10 I define. So parent class. This thing, this method I define here parent class. Then this thing, this 20 I am defining here child class. Look here in class level. Okay, this statement. Okay, this method I am defining here child class. So if I creating that child reference and the child object, it will call both parent and child member. Guys, I think all are clear these two things. Any doubt about these two things? Then I'll proceed that next. Any doubt? Any doubt these two things? All are clear? Clear or not? Okay. Okay. So then look here. Then I'm creating one more. One more rule is there. So what is that? So that rule is look. We are creating parent reference. Okay, this type This is called parent reference and child object. Okay, so for that, what will happening? So let's we creating here the third rule. We create here third rule. So like here I'm creating one more boundary also creating. So I can write here also one more boundary I'm creating here. Okay. Otherwise, in programmatically, if I write here like this concept, so if people get more clarity. Okay. So I'm creating first initial one by boundary in that I'm mentioning there. So what? So it hold hold parent reference. Okay, reference purpose, guys. I'm writing a short form. It will hold parent reference with parent object. Okay, okay. Then second case, it will hold parent, sorry, child reference, child reference. Okay, with child, with child object, object. Okay, guys. Then if people get more clarity, so about this, you'll get little bit idea. Okay. So this is syntax one. Okay, syntax one design. It's calling only what? Parent member. If you designing this type of syntax, it's calling both parent and child member. Okay. Then one more thing is I'm creating here. So what is that? I'm creating parent reference hold child object. Okay. So I'm creating here parent reference. Okay. Parent reference hold child object. Okay, guys. So let's create these things. So this is third one as per our syntax. So how it will be designing? So we're designing like this. Parent. Okay. Parent. Okay. Parent equal to I'm creating parent means guys. Okay, you are not getting I think. So parent means I'm creating here parent p. P1 is p already there guys. So duplicate variable is not allowed. So I'm creating in this case p1. Okay, equal to new parent. Okay, like this I'm creating here. So sorry, not like this. So I'm telling the parent object holding child reference. So for that actually I'm creating here new child. Okay, if I defining like this, so look how much thing we are calling. So same thing guys. So if I calling here same sys out parent member means guys P P1 here P1 dot A. It's calling it successfully. It's not issue. Then again, so again I'm try to calling P1 dot what? Then again I'm try to calling P1 dot M1 method. M1 method we already define in parent class. No, these things I'm calling. Look at it's working successful. Then again I try to calling child member. Okay, member means P1 dot child C. Child C means here defining B is variable in child. Okay, so if I try to printing like this, sys out if I printing like this P1 dot B. Look guys, issue is same issue is coming. Okay, it will not call. Then again I try to call P1 dot what? Then again I'm calling P1 dot that is M2 method. Okay, it's also rising same issue because if you are creating parent reference holding by child object, it will also not allow to creating okay, it will not allow to accessing child member, it will only allow to access parent member. Okay guys, this is our second syntax. Look here, So I try to printing here. Then what happening, look here. So just I try to run here. Okay, so if I try to run here, so it's only coming its parent member. Okay guys, so I think you clear. Then guys, one more way. Okay, one more way I want to creating. It will be possible or not. This is our third syntax, guys. As per our third syntax, look here what's child reference, parent reference. Okay, parent reference we can hold child object. Okay, but secondly I'm creating child reference. Is it possible to hold parent object or not? So let's, I'm testing in programmatical it will be possible or not. Okay, so look guys, so here I'm creating one more thing. So that is what, so that is child. Okay, child C2. Okay, C1, child C1 equal to new parent. Okay, new parent. Look guys, if I creating like this, it will be showing error. Look, here is one red mark is there. Then also in left side bar, you can check there one cross is there. What's telling? So type mismatch cannot convert parent to child. Okay, so you cannot convert parent to child. So this is the third syntax. Okay, I already told also here. So you cannot create like this. Okay, it will not possible to create only. Okay, so no worry about that accessing. But initially it is not possible. It's not allowing you to create this type of object. Okay, so I think guys clear. You guys clear these things. Okay, so any doubt up to this? So whatever things I discussed there theoretically, all those things I explained there in programmatically. Any doubt? Okay, two, three messages are there. Little brother, that's mean you cannot call the child reference to parent. What you are telling, little brother? Child reference to parent reference. I'm not getting. Okay, child reference to parent reference means what actually you express. I'm not getting that one. If you want, please uh, tell me again. Okay, then forage shows her what is the purpose of third syntax, because it's also working the same as first syntax. Or why third syntax? Yeah, I'm telling that things also, no worry. Syntax is useful. Look guys, so there also one difference is there. Okay, this syntax and this syntax purpose, some difference is there. So difference means guys, if you know the exact, okay, exact runtime object, okay, then you can go that first syntax. Okay, if you don't know that exact runtime object, so which object we need to call, okay, then you can use these things. So I'm telling that difference also, I'm telling, no worry guys. So that is depend upon that knowing or unknowing. If you know that runtime object, it will be implementing like this concept. If you don't know that runtime object, it will not implementing like this concept. There will be some difference guys. Okay, so no worry for that, I will explain also that things. So no worry, that difference also I will calling. Okay, so then if people get more clarity. Okay, so okay guys, so next proceed. So then little brother again, what you telling? Okay, okay, 1 minute, 1 minute little brother, I will tell you. Okay, what relative present telling? So that means if some property have child, okay, we cannot print or express in parent case. Yes, we cannot. We cannot call by using parents. Okay, parent purpose. No, of what having? So if pair whatever things we can having parents, it's only calling by using both parent reference and child reference. But whatever things only having child, it's only calling by using child reference. Okay, so this is the exact difference. Okay. Okay, so then proceed. All things clear or any doubt, guys? Please ping if you all think clear or any doubt. Guys, please ping here. Okay, I think all are clear. If you are not responding means by default yes, you cleared. Or any doubt, guys? Please ping here. Okay, if you ping, then you people get more clarity. Okay, so let's so for us asking something. So I'm explain also. It's difference. Two difference are there, guys. Okay, they are having two difference. So based on two difference, not possible. That is first one is what is the benefit of using parent p equal to new child. Okay, then child c equal to new parents. Look here, first one is possible. What you told here, parent p equal to new child, it's possible because parent reference can hold that child object. Okay, second one is ch- child c equal to new parent, it's not possible. Okay, it's not allowing in java. When java is implemented, it's also told it's we cannot hold child reference, we cannot hold parent object. Okay, so that difference your question and Faraj question will be same. So okay, I will telling what's the difference are there. Okay, so look here, guys, I'm writing its difference, then you people get more clarity. Okay, so look, guys, if you calling like this, okay, like this means if you calling child, okay, child c, let's child c equal to new child. If you calling like this, guys, child c equal to new child. Okay, then one more part is if you calling so like this, parent p equal to new child, sorry, new child. Okay, if you calling like this, guys, so then what's difference are there? So child c equal to new child, parent p equal to new child. So the difference is like this, guys, I'm telling. So no worry. Hmm, okay, so no worry. So look, what's the difference is there? First point is, guys, if you use that this approach, you know the exact runtime object. Okay, if we use okay, if you we use this this approach, okay, you can say syntax. If you use this approach, okay, if you use this approach, you know, if you use this approach, okay, you know, okay, the exact runtime object, runtime object. Okay, no worry. What is runtime objects? I will explain, guys. So just understand that difference. Okay, if you use this approach, if you know the exact runtime object, okay, guys, then here is first point. Then parent p child object. So what is the first point? Okay, if we use this approach, okay, if you use this approach, you don't know the exact runtime object. You don't know. Okay. You don't know the exact runtime object. You don't know the exact. Okay, the exact runtime object. Okay, guys. This is first point. It's difference having. This is first point. Okay. Oh, sorry. Control share. Yes. Control Y. Okay. This is our first point. So second benefit. Okay. Second point is what? So by using this approach, we can call both parent. Okay, we can call both parent and child member. Child member. Okay. Here is what second thing is. Okay. By using this approach, we can call. Okay. Sorry. We can we can call only parent member. Parent member. Okay. This is the main difference. Then okay. Then again, it's third point. Third point what? So third point is its advantage. Okay, its advantage what? Its disadvantage what? We can use child reference to hold only particular child class object. Okay, guys. But you can use parent reference. You can hold both parent and child class object. Okay, we can use child reference. Child reference to hold. Okay, to hold what? Only child object, guys. Here, then its second point, sorry, its third point what? Its third point is we can use parent reference. Parent reference to hold both child and parent object. Look, guys, this is the difference. These 3 points are different. So this thing is I told child C equal to new child. It means child reference. Okay, this is child reference, then child object. Okay, but this point is parent reference holding child object. So what is the difference? If you know this approach, if you which if we use this approach, you know the exact runtime object. Okay, exact runtime object means guys this object. So which object we are clear to we know the exact runtime object, then we should go this approach. If we don't know the exact runtime object, if you want to this is object, but if you don't know the exact runtime class or runtime object, so in this case you can use this approach. The second case is you can both call. By using this approach you can both call both parent and child, but using this approach you can call only what, only a child, sorry, only parent. But using this approach it's only hold only that child object, but using this approach it's only hold, sorry, both hold that child and parent object. So guys, I think clear all those things. So let's, anybody any doubt now? I already explained its difference also, why we are creating. Okay. Hmm. Okay, for us telling something. So what is the difference between parent P equal to new parent and parent P equal to new child? Because these both are calling only parent member. Yeah, this is the difference. It's, look here. So it's only that it's parent P equal to new parent means it's only calling that parent member. It's a second case also, it's only calling that parent member, but its difference is it will be held by parent object, then it will be held by the child object. Okay, child object means here is first difference you can put here is that parent P means I know the exact runtime object. Okay, if I know that exact runtime object means this is parent. Okay, if I know the exact runtime object, then it will be calling this approach. But here is this new child. You are assigning new child means in this case I'm not know. So how many child are there? Okay, how many child are there? The child runtime object. So how will injecting these things? So by following this approach, we can injecting this one. Okay, this difference, only one difference, that is exact runtime. If you know that exact runtime object, we are going to parent P equal to new parent. If you don't know the exact that the child object, so in this case we need to go in this approach, but working is same. Okay, you can say working is same, but way of designing is separate. But these things, guys, you will get more clarity when we are implementing in project level. Okay, so in this case it's comparison you can get more and more clarity, comparison you can get. Okay, any doubt for us? So ping here if you any doubt. So little further, then which case we use this parent P equal to new child. Little further, I already given example. Okay, many example I already given. If we don't know the exact runtime object, it means that which object purpose, which reference is required. So if you don't know the exact runtime object, one object is coming. So let's assume one object is coming. Let's a little further assume one thing. So one parent is there, one parent having multiple child. Okay, so let's one parent containing uh, 15 child. Okay, one parent is there one, but containing 15 child. Okay, so when I want to getting one child object. Okay, when I want to getting one child object will coming in real time multiple way, guys. Okay, so multiple way object will coming. So one object is coming, but that object reference type I'm not sure what is the reference type, that the runtime object I'm not sure. Then in this case, so that object I'm injecting directly here, child parents. So child parents content. Okay, parents holding all those things, all those 15 object. If you're creating 15 object, then all those 15 object parent can hold. Okay, so if one object is coming, I'm not sure its reference, if runtime object, in this case I'm injecting directly parent. Okay, little bit unclear. Working same design is different, that's, yeah, working same design is difference. Okay. Then working same design is difference, it means first one is, that's okay, that is one point. Working same design difference, that's one point. Second point is yours, that is parent payments. it's holding, only there is holding that parent object, but second case is holding the child object. Okay, please express in the method in note. Please express in method in note. Which method? Which method you are asking? Please let me confirm which method you are asking. All the method may be in notes. Clear, guys? So which method little button you are asking? I'm not sure. Case 3. Okay, in case 3. Case 3 I'm not mentioned. Yeah, case 3 I'm right. I wrote here. Case 3. Okay. Okay, you are telling case 3 we need to mention this method. Okay, got it. Okay, so let p dot here, p dot a. Let assume a. You can print that things. Okay, then p dot p dot. Okay, p dot m1. Okay, then these things also not allowed. No? That is p dot b not allowed. Then second is p dot m2 not allowed. Okay, I'll directly this program I directly copy and attach there also. Okay, then you will get more clarity. Okay, so then I think all are clear up to this. Then guys, then I'm implementing based on reference. So based on interface. So how interface will execute? Okay, how interface will operate here? So we'll see. So we'll see quickly. Okay, so interface things how will be implementing here. Let's guess. So I'm creating here one interface. Okay, so just right click new. Look at guys, how do I create interface? Right click package, then new, then Java project. Look here in below, below class interface is there. Okay, I symbol is there, interface is there. So I just I'm printing like this. Okay, then I'm clicking this one. Then I am putting my interface name. I'm putting my interface name is I1. Okay, anything else you can put as your wish. So I'm putting my interface name is I1. Okay, my interface I1 interface is created, guys. Then here I'm defining one variable. So how will I defining? Like I'm defining public static. Okay, public static final. Okay, public static final int a. I'm defining directly assigning here value 10. Sorry, 100 I'm assigning directly. Okay, then one more. This is static variable. One more I'm defining here that what? That instance variable. So I'm defining public. Okay, public final int. Sorry, public final int b. Okay, I'm defining a 200. So two variable I'm defining. Then guys, so yesterday I told interface only allow that is what abstract method. So guys, up to now you understand only allow interface abstract method. So then when I explain that Java 8 features, then we'll discuss the interface allow only more method, more features. So we'll discuss in that time. Okay, but before that, for inheritance purpose, just understand these things. Interface currently allow only this variable. This is static variable. This is instance variable. Then one more thing is guys, I'm defining here one abstract method. How will defining abstract method? Abstract method means guys, yesterday I told that method doesn't contain implementation body. So look here guys. So I'm defining here public. Okay, void let. I'm defining my method name is okay inter. Okay, I'm putting inter m1. Inter m1 means I'm putting my method name is inter m1. Okay, look guys. If I defining implementation body, okay, previously we are defining like this, no guys. So like we are printing. So under class we are printing like this. Is out. If I printing sys out, hi, look here. So if I defining method like this, so under class level guys, previously I defined like this method. So the method containing implementation body. Implementation body means after method declaration, we can use that the open curly bracket and close curly bracket under we can pass any statement. Okay guys. So if I designing like this, look here. Guys, it's giving issue. Abstract method do not specify a body. It's telling. So because guys interface allow abstract method. Okay, interface allow only abstract method. So how will designing abstract method? So we just remove these things guys. We just remove these things. The implementation body and statements, we just remove these things. Then we can pass directly their semicolon. Look guys, that error is gone. So this is called guys abstract method. Okay, this is called abstract method. Abstract method. Okay guys, I think clear. This is called abstract method. Okay, interface content like this. Abstract method only. Based on interface guys, I want to implement for interface purpose guys. I want to implement is it's what? So first, yeah, I want to implement it's by using extend keyword. How interface will work? Okay guys, this is one interface. Then second interface guys, I'm creating one more interface. So just file new. Okay, then interface. I'm creating interface name is what? So I2. I1 is one interface I created. Then I2 is second interface I created. Then same thing guys. I'm defining here variable. Okay, so there I defining what's int variable. Here is I'm defining one more variable like public. Okay, static. Okay, public static. Then what? Then I define here what? So I define one variable like string variable. Public static final string. Okay, public static final string. Then I'm passing here name. Just I'm passing here my name is Rajesh. Okay. So like this we can pass. If I passing like this, then what happen? You can look. Okay. One variable is defined. I want to defining another that instance variable also I'm defining. So I'm defining like this public final. Okay, public final. So uh, company. I'm defining public final company. Okay, sorry, public final string. I'm defining same string. I'm telling here string. Then I'm defining here my variable name is company. Okay, I'm passing my variable name is my company name. So Amazon. Okay, I'm passing my company name is Amazon. So look here. So two variable I'm defining here. One is static variable, another is non-static variable. There I taken int and here taken string because guys you can if you want you can take same data type also, no issue, but here is I'm taking two different data type because you get more idea. Okay, then guys I'm defining here one more method. Okay, so that is one more abstract method. So like I'm defining here public void m2. Okay, public void we can define enter m2. Okay, enter m2 I'm defining here. If I define guys the look here body, then it's also giving same issue, it's not allowed. So that's why we need to implementing here abstract method. Okay, this is abstract method, you know. Abstract method. Abstract method means that the method doesn't contain implementation body. Guys, I think clear. Two things clear. Then I need to implementing here, guys. I need to implementing here. What's that? Deriving a interface to another interface. As per our theory, okay. As per our definition, how to implementing, how to deriving a interface to interface. So in this case, we need to use, guys, extend keyword. Okay, extends interface one. It means, guys, what? It means whatever properties. Okay, whatever properties you define, okay, whatever properties you define, that interface I1, all those things available in I2, because I'm implementing interface. Okay, if I using, guys, so look here, if I using here main, so what's happening? It's also allowing. Okay, then it's also, we need to create anonymous class, then you can call these things also. Guys, you don't know anonymous class currently. Okay, then we need to tell later, because by using anonymous class also we can, on lambda expression also we can create directly object, but up to know you are not sure that what's anonymous, what is lambda expression, we'll tell later that thing. But based on our inheritance, you can look here, it's also possible main method, it's also accessing possible. We need to creating some separate design. Okay, guys, so let's assume. So here is I create I1. I1 means I1 interface I created and passes there some variable and some properties. Then second case is I created here I2. Here also I'm passing these things, so it means whatever properties available in I1 is that properties also available in I2. That is the meaning. So let's, guys, I'm creating. Okay, you understand now currently how to derive a interface to interface. So let's, we need to calling that things. So by using class concept, we need to calling. So you know how to deriving a class to class and how to deriving a interface to interface. Okay, class to class deriving all the proper declaration and access, all the printing, all those things, guys, you guys clear. Then second case is that the property declaration, these things, and then how to access these things, you guys already clear. Then only the printing things is not clear. The printing things currently I'm using class concept. Okay, by using class concept I want to printing here. Okay, so let's, guys, so I'm creating one more class. So like, so I'm creating one more test class. So just I'm creating like this. So file new Java. Okay, file new Java uh, class I'm creating. Okay, that class name I'm passing here test class. Okay, in test class I'm just simply test class I'm creating. Then I'm writing here main method. Okay, guys, if I writing main method, look here, so it's ready. But this is a class, guys. Okay, this is a class, but I want deriving a class from an interface. How to deriving a class from an interface? For that, actually, guys, so we need to use implement keyword. I already told in theoretically. So when you want to deriving a class from an interface, in this case you need to use implements keyword. Implements, I want to deriving a interface. Let's assume, guys, first I want to deriving first I1 interface. Then what's happening? We look, two interface is there already. So first is I'm deriving I1 interface. Look, guys, here it's telling something. The type test must implement inheritable abstract method. It means look, no regards. So I1 and I2, what's the relation I define? By using extend keyword, their relation I define. So again, I'm giving by using implement keyword how I1 is working, how I2 is working. Okay, guys. So let's assume first I'm creating one class. In that class, I'm implementing I1 interface. Okay, if I'm implementing I1 interface, it's giving one issue. What is the issue? The type test must implement the derive abstract method I1 int m1. Sorry, interface, that is interface m1. So it means it will be directly telling. So you can implements its method. I1 content, look here, I1 content one abstract method, that is abstract method. If you define abstract method in parent, if you implementing its child, you should be override that abstract method. Override means here is we define just abstract, then in case of implementation under this class you can create for implementation method means it's override method means that method contain implementation body. Okay, and logic you can create like this. So look here guys, under test class I'm creating just abstract method. So one abstract method already there, so I'm implementing there. So what is the method is there, so I just go to my interface. Okay, if I go to my interface I just copy my abstract method. Okay, sorry. Okay, I just copy my abstract method. Then look here, then I'm going to my implementation class is test. So I just printing here under test, I'm printing here. So what is that, so I'm printing my abstract class method. Then look, then it is a abstract there I define abstract, but here is bound, not same abstract is not allowed. Okay, if under interface if you define abstract method, under child you can define its implementation method purpose we need to define like this body concept. Look guys, if I define like this previous error also gone, then this error also gone. So you can write here any statement. Okay, you can write here any statement you can call here. It is implement method for, it is implement method for what, I1 interface. You can write any logic based on your things. Okay guys, then I think you all are clear how to implementing that things, how to calling that thing. For that actually guys, you can today you know how to accessing these things already, you know. Just I create here object, so like same inheritance concept I create. So test t, okay, test t equal to new test. Okay guys, test t equal to new test. Then I want to calling this method, so how will calling t dot what, t dot int m1, int m1 is method is there, int m1. Look here, then one more variable is also there, that is t dot what, I think a is there. Okay, t dot a is there, so I want to printing these things. Okay, sys out, sys out. So we can directly a is we can directly calling directly because it is a static. Okay, then one more is variable is there, that is sys out what, t dot b is variable is there. Look guys, then I try to run here, then what's output will come. Look here, this implementation is coming, this 100 is coming, this 200 is coming. Where 100 and 200 defined, 100 is defined I interface, here is defined 100, then 200 is defined, this is static, so static purpose I can call there directly. Okay, no need to require create object. Okay, instance purpose I need to create their object and call there. Okay guys, then this is abstract method. Abstract method means its implementation method. First I define under our test class, I define its implementation. Okay, then after implementation, so I'm just creating object here, then I'm calling these things. Guys, this thing today you understand these things up to now. Okay, after now any doubt please confirm. Okay, I think you may people getting doubt in any doubt, please confirm any doubt up to now, any doubt, any doubt guys, please confirm. So what's the key difference between class and object? interface. Okay, class and interface difference also I'm telling later, but now one thing you remember, the class means okay, class means containing all those things, guys. So class containing, that is all those methods. Okay, all those method means all implementation method class content, all static final method, private method, then a class content that what then other thing is the content class, all type of variable is content class. Then all those things class content we can implementing, but interface content, guys, only currently interface content abstract method. Okay, Java 8 onwards, interface content default method. Okay, so no worry. Java 8 when I explain, so in that time I will explain default method. But up to now you understand currently interface content only abstract method, then public static final variable. So like that things interface content currently. Okay, so then when explain more concept, then you'll slowly you people get more idea about interface and abstract class and like class. So everything all the difference, all that idea you will get easily. Okay, others or Raj or anybody, any doubt? All are clear up to this or any doubt? Please let me confirm. So why did you create interface I2? Because it's not using, yeah, interface I2 I will using tomorrow, because look, there is only I extend keyword use purpose. Okay, guys, only extend keyword use purpose I created their interface. First thing is, no, guys, I told as my theory. So I told when you deriving an interface to interface, so in this case you can use extend keyword. Okay, so I just putting there extend keyword, I can deriving something I can show you. Okay, then second case is when you deriving a class from an interface, in this case you need to use implement keyword. Okay, then first I1, by using I1 I'm using here, then I give their example. Then tomorrow session I will use I2. I2 means first thing is what, I1 deriving from, sorry, I2 deriving from I1. It means I1 is parent. I take tomorrow session like this. I1 is parent, I2 is child. Then my class, my test class deriving directly I2. If I deriving directly I2, then I1 all properties, I2 all properties, all those things directly available in test class. So these things I will telling tomorrow, because if I directly telling by using I2, if I directly telling, so it will be little bit complicated. Okay, so little bit complicated for you. So that's why this example I am not explained today. Just deriving purpose, just dummy example I provided. Okay, so that's I2 purpose. I was confused. No worry, guys. So just left I2. Forget about I2. Okay, just I gave there only dummy example purpose. Okay, so no worry. Don't think about I2. Okay, just extend keyword use purpose I given there I2, but today I'm not express here its example. So tomorrow session I'm express that example. Then you people get more clarity. Okay, guys. So today almost 1.5 hour class. So it's over 11:30. Okay, guys. So today I'm dropping here. So be practice before coming tomorrow session. Okay, tomorrow session will go little bit depth. Okay, then tomorrow session I decide tomorrow session that the inheritance concept will close tomorrow session. Okay, so all those inheritance concept will close to tomorrow session. Then day after tomorrow we'll starting some other concept like polymorphism or like that. Okay, guys. So that's it to today's session. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. Okay, guys. Bye. You can drop.